How to install Snapchat on iPhone 12. So Snapchat is not a pre-installed app on your iPhone. So if you just got one and you want to get the Snapchat app on your iPhone 12 straight, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install Snapchat on your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, once you open the App Store, you want to click on the search button at the bottom right here. Then go ahead and search for Snapchat. Then hang on. Then here, if you have access to Snapchat like this, as on the first result, then click on that. Now I want to go ahead and click on the Get button. You can see in this case, I have the Open button, which implies that I've successfully downloaded and installed the Snapchat app on my iPhone 12. Then go ahead and click on the Get button. Once you hit the Get button, click on Install from the screen and then confirm your Apple ID password. Once that is confirmed, then hang on for a couple of seconds for the Snapchat app to download and install on your iPhone. And once the process is complete, you can now go ahead and open the Snapchat from the app screen or go back to the iPhone app screen, locate the Snapchat icon and then click on it. Is that? So that is basically how to install Snapchat on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.